Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Networkings. कितने लोग आ गए हैं? Let's see. 3 guys are watching. Looks. Okay, 17 joined. Hello, hello, hi everyone. Namaste ji, namaste. Okay, I think enough guys joined. Hello, hi everyone. So let me share my screen. Okay, so let's talk about 3 career tracks. If you want to start your career into network security, okay, whether you want to start your career in cloud security or if you want to start your career in cyber security. Okay, so let's talk about the road map. ठीक है, तो आज हम रोड मैप की बात करते हैं. तो रोड मैप क्या होता है कि जिस भी करियर में आप जाना चाहते हो, राइट, वट एवर करियर पाथ यू वांट टू चूज. Okay, so according to that you have to choose your path, that okay, if I'll go with this I'll become a network engineer, if I go with this path I will become the cyber security engineer. Okay, so let's talk about if anybody wants to become network security engineer. तो अगर किसी को नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी इंजीनियर बनना है तो कैसे बनेगा? ठीक है. So first of all, what I recommend you, because many people are still confused that what they want to do in their life. I have seen a lot of people between 20 to 30, okay, their age. Okay, so between 20 to 30 guys, they are very confused about their career. Sometimes they get a job, but after 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, they feel like the job is not worth. ठीक है, तो कई लोगों को 20 से 30 साल की एज में पता लग रहा है कि भाई मैं तो गलत ट्रैक में हूँ, मुझे तो इसमें जाना ही नहीं था, मुझे तो कुछ और में जाना था. सो कितने लोग ऐसे हैं? तो रेज हैंड. राइट, आई एम कंफ्यूज्ड इन द चैट इफ यू आर कंफ्यूज्ड अबाउट योर करियर स्टिल. ठीक है, तो बात करते हैं. इफ यू रियली वांट टू अर्न मच, like good salary, if I would say, so if you really want to get a good salary, so what would be the career paths? See, there are 4 5 career path in IT. One is software development. Okay, so you become a software developer, and the other category is called network security or network engineers. The third category nowadays is cloud computing, cloud engineers, we have cyber security engineers, and there is DevOps. DevOps is also a good track, and data science, machine learning, AI is a different field. Okay, so many people are thinking about as a fresher, okay, that they want to get into machine learning, AI. तो कुछ जो फ्रेशर बच्चे उनको अभी से क्या है, बहुत अभी से कंफ्यूज्ड है कि मशीन लर्निंग में जाएं, एआई में जाएं, बिकॉज एआई का फ्यूचर है, एंड दिस इज द रीजन दे गो फॉर मशीन लर्निंग एआई. And trust me, machine learning AI courses are not very easy. If you are not good at programming, these courses will be going to tough for you. So so it's better to go in software development first and then shift your career into machine learning, AI and all. Okay, so this is what I recommend. Okay, but if you do not like coding, you do not want to love like coding and all, so there are 3 4 tracks which are good for you. वन इज दैट आई टोल्ड यू, नेटवर्क इंजीनियर है एक, तो बिना अगर कोडिंग के करियर बनाना है. ओके, कोडिंग थोड़ा बहुत यूज होता है नेटवर्क ऑटोमेशन में. ओके, नॉट लाइक दैट. ओके, इफ यू आर ए सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर यू हैव टू डू 100% कोडिंग, बट इफ यू आर ए नेटवर्क ऑटोमेशन इंजीनियर, नेटवर्क इंजीनियर, यू मे हैव टू डू जस्ट 10% ऑफ दैट. ठीक है. So how to choose the right track, that is more important rather than just going for any course. So how to choose the best program for your career, how to get good salary. See all, so what I recommend, so these are our what we call premium roadmaps. So you go for CCNA, then CCNP security. But before I explain you this roadmap, what I want, if you're really passionate about network security engineer, if you really want to do this program, and this program can help you to go up to 20 lakhs, 30, 50 lakhs packages also. Okay, what you have to do, you have to first check that आर यू गेटिंग इंटरेस्ट इन दिस और नॉट. तो पहले आपको ये चेक करना है कि भाई मुझे इस फील्ड में इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है, फिर उसको फॉलो करना है अच्छे से. तो कैसे पता करेंगे कि मुझे इसमें इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है? ठीक है, बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, लाइक आई हैव सीन 80% of people who join cyber security programs, then they feel like, yeah, cyber security is a cool thing, but when they learn cyber security, they do not actually love the name. It's a very cool word, right? Cyber security, ethical hacker. But when they actually start learning Linux, Windows Server, Linux, networking, then they feel like it is not very easy track, or they feel like maybe I should get into another things. Okay, so तो कई लोगों को यही लगता है साइबर सिक्योरिटी भाई बहुत बढ़िया चीज है, साइबर सिक्योरिटी बनना है, हैकर बनना है, लोगों के अकाउंट हैक कर लेंगे हम. पर जब वो पढ़ने की बारी आती है ना, तो वो उनसे नहीं पढ़ा जाता. ठीक है, तो समझो इसको, मुझे किस फील्ड में जाना है, एंड हाउ यू विल चेक दैट विच ट्रैक इज गोइंग टू गुड फॉर मी. सो वेदर a cloud security program is good for you, whether it is a network security program is good for you, whether it is a cyber security, whether it is a DevOps, whether it is a data science. तो मुझे कौन सा रोड मैप फॉलो करना है, which road map should I follow? The best thing is start with very basic free fundamental courses, and we have already created a website, skillsforeveryone.com, so which is a completely free website, free courses. Okay, so there is no charge. Let me share this link with all of you. Okay, so I've already shared in the YouTube chat. Okay, so now if you go here, courses, what I recommend you, if you want to start your career into networking, then I recommend you to join this network fundamental free course and complete this course properly. If this is free, then do not take this for granted, राइट. तो अगर ये फ्री है, इसको ऐसे ही मत जाने दो कि यार फ्री तो है, क्या शायद इसमें कोई कंटेंट थोड़ी होगा. ट्रस्ट मी, अगर आप ये पढ़ लेते हैं, ओके, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू विल गेट अ जॉब. Okay, hopefully if you get, definitely it's a good thing, but this course will help you to understand about network fundamental, and then if you feel like yes, this is a good career path, then go for network security engineer program. So अगर आपको ये कोर्स समझ आ जाता है, if you learn this network fundamental with your full dedication, and it is just a 6 to 7 hours course, so 6-7 घंटा पढ़ना है सिर्फ. I think you will be able to cover this in maximum 1 week. And if you learn this properly, Like you will learn network fundamentals, you learn about basic network devices, OSI model, router configuration also. Like you will learn basic router configuration, what is like all these topics little bit, and this will help you to understand the network fundamental. Okay, so just click on the enroll for free button and it will ask for you the sign up. Just enter your name, email ID, password, whatever, and you will be able to watch the free course. Okay, so that's it. So if you really want to start your career into network security, before making any payment, before going for any premium courses, okay, you can start network fundamentals. Okay, but if you have already decided, if you already decided, अगर आपने डिसाइड कर लिया है और you already working in that domain, then definitely follow this path because we have made this path very clearly. You can go for CCNA, then you go for CCNP, then go for firewall. Okay, so CCNP security, CCNP data center, they are like add-ons. Okay, we are changing the roadmap. Like within 2-3 days, we will update this because there is some little change. Because technology बार बार change हो रही है, technology is changing oftenly, so we have to create the roadmap for our students according to that. Okay, so maybe this roadmap will not be good for after 5 years, but right now in 2023 this is the best roadmap for network security engineers. They start with CCNA properly. Okay, they start with the network fundamental basically. Okay, and then they learn the CCNA, then they learn CCNP, then they learn Palo Alto firewall, and then SD-WAN, okay, which is the top technology in the IT domain right now, IT networking, and then Python for network engineers. And if you get time, then you can learn about F5 load balancer. Then for add-ons, once you complete the whole path, you can learn then CCNP data center, CCNP security, or maybe you can go for any CCI track. But if you ask me कि मुझे अगर पहले 3 कोर्स करने हैं, if I tell you the first 3 courses you must do to become a network or a network security engineer, that is CCNA, CCNP, and firewall. And which firewall is better? All firewalls are good. It's like you are comparing Ferrari with Lamborghini versus any Bugatti. So all 3 supercars, Checkpoint, Palo Alto, FortiGate, all 3 are super firewalls. You can learn any firewall, whatever trainer you like. When we take live sessions on YouTube, so whatever trainer you like, whether it is Palo Alto trainer, Checkpoint, so जिस भी trainer का आपको समझ आ रहा है, okay, whatever trainer you are able to understand, then enroll in that firewall. That would be great because trainer is more important than any firewall. If you learn a good firewall from a normal trainer, and if you learn a normal firewall with from good trainer, so I hope you understand, right? Okay, so this is for the network security engineers. And let's talk about cloud security, how to get into cloud security. Okay, again, I recommend you to learn network fundamentals. Okay, plus additionally, I want you to learn about this AWS Cloud Essential because this course will cover a lot of topics about AWS. Okay, so you can start learning about this AWS for around 10 to 12 hours of content free. Okay, on this website all the courses are free. Okay, so this will help you to understand that this course, this technology is good for me or not. Once you complete the free courses, then you can join our premium courses. Okay, or maybe from anywhere else, whatever you like. Okay, but at least make sure you have the base knowledge because base knowledge is very very important. Okay, मेरी आवाज आ रही है सभी को? ठीक है. Okay, so now let's talk about cloud security. Again, I told you, like you start learning about AWS course and also about network fundamentals. So let me give you the direct network fundamental course. Okay, so here is it. Okay, so right now this website is free. So in future also we will definitely make sure this is free, but God knows what will happen. So right now, what I recommend you, so please avail the benefit and watch this free premium courses. Okay, because these courses are trained by industry experts. They are not just from any normal trainer. Okay, so whatever courses we create, we make sure these are industry relevant content. Because if you go to YouTube, there is a lot of content, but you do not know the trainer is from the industry or just a normal trainer. Because your time is also important. If you spend 12 hours of AWS learning from here, and if you watch 12 hours random videos on YouTube, then I'm sure you understand that 12 hours learning from expert will help you to make your career much better than normal trainers. ओके, सो समझ आना चाहिए वैसे, जिसका समझ आ रहा है वहां से पढ़ो, सिंपल बात है, राइट? So now coming to this cloud security. So this is a plan if you really want to. If you already have CCNA knowledge, CCNP knowledge, you can learn Palo Alto Firewall, and then you learn about new technologies like Azure 104, Azure 500, Azure 700. And the best part, guys, you can start watching what we call the demo classes also, that what I'm going to learn in Azure 500. Okay, so these are the pre, you can see the trainer is teaching you. Okay, so this is all the full content of Azure Administrator 900, 400. Okay, you can see how to make virtual machines, how to create a virtual VMs, VNet peering, Azure Active Directory, everything about Azure in this Azure 500, Azure 700. So then Azure 700, which will be help you to understand about more about Azure networking, Azure Active Directory, everything about the Azure security. Okay, so that's under the cloud security. And once you complete the Azure platform portfolio, then you can learn about AWS also. Then we have GCP also. So a cloud security is highly paying jobs, and this is what I recommend you. If you have 3 to 5 years experience, then go for this path. If you have experience in networking, if you have experience in Windows servers domain, if you have experience in Linux, if you have IT experience around 3 to 5 years, then this is the best roadmap for you all. But it's not good for freshers right now, because fresher should target like normal IT job first. Like whether fresher can go for the network engineer program, fresher can go for Windows administrator, fresher can go for Linux administrator job, freshers can go for like penetration testing jobs, Windows servers, as I already mentioned. But cloud security jobs जो है ना fresher की, वो इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है. If you go to job portal and search for cloud security, okay, so cloud security. Okay, so you can see when I search for cloud security, there are around 2,700 jobs, but mostly you can see 6 to 8 year experience, 15 to 20, 6 to 8, okay, 4 to 6, so 3 to 8. So this is what I recommend you. At least if you have 3 to 5 years experience, at least 3 years, okay, or maybe 2 years, guys can also apply some companies. But एक दो साल का experience है तो आप cloud security की तैयारी कर सकते हो. Okay, so right now you can see KPMG is like one of the top management firms, and they are hiring Google Cloud Security Engineer, and the package is around 12 to 22. So right now, what networking is teaching you, the world best programs right now with the full roadmap. Because if I put you directly in the Google Cloud Security programs or Azure platforms, okay, without any firewall knowledge, without, okay, CCNP is not mandatory here. Once you learn CCNA Palo Alto, okay, then you can learn about Azure, Azure 500, 700. Okay, why firewall is important? Because cloud security is very important with the firewall. Because when you apply for jobs, you can see Google Cloud Security Engineer, and you can see here that the guy should have the fire, should knowledge of firewall rules, security commands, and all. Okay, so that's the main thing. So you can see Genpact, Intel is also hiring AI and cloud security engineer. Okay, cloud security engineer. See, banking. This AU Bank is very famous in India nowadays. AU Bank सुना होगा तुमने भी. AU Small Finance Bank, and they are also hiring the Google what we call cloud security engineer L3. And the, you can see what they are asking. They are asking about AWS, Azure, all this knowledge. ओके, CSSP। सो ये चीजें देखो हमने पहले से ही डाली हुई यहाँ पे, देखो साइबर सिक्योरिटी में है CSSP, ये रहा CSSP। सो समटाइम्स क्लाउड सिक्योरिटी एंड साइबर सिक्योरिटी एंड नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी, दे आर रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर. Okay, so in future, maybe you become IT director, you become the top CTOs, what we call Chief Technology Officer. So maybe you should have networking knowledge also, cloud knowledge also, cyber security knowledge also. So sometimes jack of all is also good. तो कई बार सारी चीजों का ज्ञान होना भी फायदे देती है, और कई बार एक ही चीज में एक्सपर्ट होना भी फायदा देती है. ठीक है. So go with the interest, guys. Simple. Some students have capability of learning 3 to 4 hours a day. Some students they learn just 2 hours. Some students they learn 1 hour maximum. And some students they have capability of learning just 10 to 15 minutes per day. But at least try to learn consistently. अगर आप सिर्फ 15 मिनट भी डेली पढ़ लोगे ना, तो महीने के 450 मिनट पढ़ोगे. ठीक है, तो 450 इंटू 12 करोगे तो और पता नहीं कितना हो जाएगा, 500-600 मतलब घंटे पढ़ लोगे तुम, शायद इससे भी ज्यादा. ठीक है, ज्यादा बोल दिया लगता मुझे. ठीक है, बट ठीक है, आइडिया लगा लो आप. 450 इंटू 4500 मिनट कितने होते हैं. ठीक है, तो डेली कंसिस्टेंसी जरूरी है. डेली like if you get time, at least learn for 15-20 minutes whatever you get. Okay, and make notes, because notes are very important, because our brain is like RAM. हमारा दिमाग ब्रेन रैम की तरह है. ठीक है, तो नई चीजें आएंगी, पुरानी हैंग होने लग जाएंगी, चलेंगी नहीं. ठीक है, तो लाइक वी आर ब्रेन हैज ए लिमिटेड कैपेसिटी, वी कैन नॉट लर्न एवरीथिंग. if you learn all the courses you cannot remember everything, right? So that's why we make digital notes. That's why we make digital notes, so that whenever I forget, I go and revise my good notes. So notes means that if you have a book of 1000 pages, you have created like 50 to 100 pages summary of that book. तो नोट्स का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि सारी बुक ही लिख देनी है नोट्स के अंदर. नोट्स का मतलब ये होता है कि भाई अगर 50 पेज का एक चैप्टर है, तो उसको मैं 4-5 पेजेस में कैसे नोट्स में डालूं. I hope you understand these things. Okay, notes means simple, clear, shortcut, simple. So that when I go for any interviews, I just do not have to read all books, all videos again and again. I will go with my own notes. Okay, so that's why notes are very, very important. And we networkings, like when you join my CCNA CCNP, I already give the notes, so that people do not have to go here and there, read books and all. So I create my own notes and share with my students. Okay, so this is all about cloud security. Again, I told you like cloud security is a very good domain, but not for freshers. Okay, but if you are a fresher, you want to start your career, you can start with network security, cyber security. That's good thing. But once you have 2 to 3 years, 4 years experience, then you can go for the cloud courses like Azure 500, Azure 700. So Azure 500, 700, all these things is for the experienced professional. Freshers can also learn, but I think the experienced professionals will get more benefit rather than freshers. So cyber security कोई भी कर सकता है. Cyber security is a very, very good field. Lot of cyber attacks are going on. It's a very promising field. सबको पता है इसका future बहुत bright है. Cyber security has a very good future. Okay, so you go to our free website again. Okay, again, cyber security has a good demand in the market. You go and check around 5,000 jobs right now. And if I search about without space, now it is showing you another 5,000. So you can see project manager and all. But if I go and say that I am a fresher guy with zero experience, so यहाँ पे भी मुझे दिख रही है that are 174 jobs only for freshers. And these are hiring cyber security, trainees, interns, executive, okay, cyber security researcher, cyber security interns. And what they are asking, अगर knowledge में भी check करें, what they are asking about if you are doing any degree or any courses on cyber security, you can apply for this type of job role. So cyber security भी अच्छा domain है. Okay, how you can start preparing? No need to join the cyber security programs. Okay, because if you go and say cyber security in India or cyber security courses. Okay, so there are a lot of companies. Okay, lot of companies, you can see what they are doing. They are providing 2 years 3 years program. तो साइबर सिक्योरिटी जब भी कोई करना चाहता है तो 2 2 3 3 साल के कोर्सेज पढ़ाए जा रहे हैं. Okay, but that's going to take a lot of time. I don't feel like that's going to be very good for you all. Okay, because the fee is going to be too much first of all, because आप डिग्री कर रहे हो, डिग्री की फीस हमेशा ज्यादा होगी, है ना, लाइक बी टेक फीस, एम टेक फीस, साइबर सिक्योरिटी मास्टर डिग्री. अगर डिग्री प्रोग्राम्स में जाओगे तो बहुत महंगी पड़ती है. ओके, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू विल नॉट हैव द नॉलेज व्हाट we are giving in our master programs even after 2 years of degree programs, because they are created for academic purpose. They are for only teaching and learning purpose, not for the jobs. Job ready courses are created by the companies like us who already bring the top cybersecurity engineers from the market, and we ask them, can you please teach our students, and then this is what they're doing. So how you can start cybersecurity career without a degree? So I would recommend you go to our free website first. First, watch this network fundamentals. Watch the Linux free course, Linux fundamental, right? And there is a ethical hacking advanced free course also here, which is again free, which is around 10 hours. तो आपने ये 3 कोर्सेज करने अगर आपको साइबर सिक्योरिटी में जाना है, नॉट 3, आई थिंक 4. Let me give you another one that's called Windows. If we have here, I think we have uploaded. Yeah, but it's in Hindi. If you guys do not understand Hindi, maybe we will upload English version also, or maybe you can watch YouTube English Windows server. बट अभी मैं 4 बता रहा हूं आपको. नेटवर्क फंडामेंटल देखना है आपको, आपको लाइनेक्स देखना है. ओके, नेटवर्क फंडामेंटल फ्री, लाइनेक्स fundamentals, Windows Server, and also Ethical Hacking Advanced. If you complete these 3 4 courses with very like with your full potential, okay, अगर आप ये 3 4 free courses अगर आप पढ़ लेते हो अच्छे से, okay, then you are eligible for the cyber security program. You are eligible to become a very highly paid cybersecurity engineer, because you are going to learn, because here in free course there is like 10 to 12 hour of Linux, but in our full cybersecurity plan we recommend people to learn 50 to 60 hours of Linux. Okay, then full Windows Server program, because a lot of attacks are on the Active Directory. Okay, and then if you learn about CCNA or network fundamental, then so these are add-ons, but the actual cyber security start from here, which is certified ethical hacking version 12. तो हम जो CH पढ़ाते हैं, whatever course what we are teaching, that is not CH theory, we are teaching people CH version 12 practical. तो हम हर स्टूडेंट को अपने यहाँ पे CH का प्रैक्टिकल पढ़ाते हैं. ओके, एंड दिस वर्चुअल live training is going to help you to understand the concept from very good overview with very good knowledge. Okay, so this is the roadmap for cybersecurity engineer. You start watching free courses and then contact our team. Okay, so that the CCNA Linux Windows Server, that's add-on. If you have a lot of time, maybe you are in 3rd year or 4th year, you still have 1 year, then you start with proper CCNA Linux Windows Server and then CH. But अगर आप ये सारे courses भी करते हो ना जो यहाँ लिखे हैं, Linux MCSA CCNA will take 3 to 4 months. CH Pentest CISA will also take 3 to 4 months. Then CSSP will 1 or 2 months. So this is like 7 to 8 months program. And if you are going for any degree programs like 2 years or more than that, it like you are not going to learn anything. But here you are getting full knowledge, in detail knowledge with the Linux, MCSA, CCNA, CH, Pentest and all. But before that, you have to join our free programs, complete these free programs, and then you will be eligible for the cyber security master program. Okay, now the last plan what we have is DevOps master program. Okay, again, who can do that? Freshers can also do that, but again I recommend you to just get into basic IT job first. if you are a Linux guy, अगर आप Linux में already job कर रहे हैं, if you are a Linux administrator, if you are a cloud engineer, if you even you are a software developer, then you can go for DevOps, which is development plus operations. You learn about basic introduction of DevOps, basic of Linux, Git library and all. Okay, shell scripting, AWS, Jenkins, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, Grafana, Prometheus, Zabbix, and basics of ELK. So this is the full roadmap of DevOps. This is how you become. And trust me, I've seen a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of things, but nobody has given the proper track that what courses we should learn to become a DevOps engineer. Okay, and lot of things going on in the market. People are teaching DevOps in 30 to 40 hours. Trust me, guys, you will not be able to become DevOps engineer in 30 to 40 hours. Okay, so our basic introduction and basic of Linux will 30-40 hours. ओके तो हमारी बेसिक बेसिक 3-4 कोर्सेज 30-40 घंटे में हो जाते हैं. कैसे कोई आपको 30-40 घंटे में डेवऑप्स इंजीनियर बना देगा? हालांकि वो फीस कम ले रहे हैं, 6-7 हज़ार रुपए में डेवऑप्स पढ़ा रहे हैं दुनिया वाले, बट वो डेवऑप्स या तो आपको पहले से ही नॉलेज है उनके लिए फायदा है, बट इफ यू आर अ न्यू गाय इट इज गोइंग टू बी टफ फॉर यू टू गेट इनटू डेवऑप्स विद 30 to 40 hours ऑफ कंटेंट. ओके सो दैट्स द होल पॉइंट. So introduction to DevOps, basic of Linux, Git, basic of shell scripting, AWS, Jenkins, as I mentioned. So Docker is good for beginners also. DevOps is good for beginners also. But I recommend you to go for the Linux fundamental free course first. So before going into DevOps, I would recommend you to learn Linux, and also I would recommend you to learn about network fundamental, because when you learn about network fundamentals, Linux fundamentals, and little bit of other courses, okay, so you will be able to understand, okay, these programs are good for me or not. But still, if you want to make your career into software development, we have still created 3 full courses like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python fundamentals. Fundamentals means 17 to 18 hours of course. Okay. Okay, and then we have C fundamental course. Again, it's not fundamental. Fundamental does not mean it is 2 hours, 3 hours. Fundamental का मतलब ही हमारे यहाँ 31 घंटे का कोर्स है. देखो, ये 31 घंटे का C is completely free. Okay, and if you are a network automation engineer, sorry, if you are a network engineer or cyber security fresher level, basic IT fresher, you can also learn this Python fundamental. Maybe it will help you to in network automation, or maybe it will help you in other further cyber security career track also. Okay, so that's the whole story, guys, about the career guidance today. So let me see the questions for today. So the first question is, sir, please help me. I'm working service desk for past 3 years. Kostab, you have multiple option. You can start with a network security engineer program, or if you are not in hurry, you can start learning about cyber security or maybe DevOps, whatever you feel like. Is this in Hindi? See, we have English and in Hindi both batches. English और हिंदी में आप कोई भी batches ले सकते हो, but mostly English के batches होते हैं हमारे यहाँ. Prashant is working with network domain in IBM. I have not worked in security domain. So Prashant, you can go for cloud security, which is better than DevOps for you because you worked as a network engineer, na? So it's better to go into cloud security because DevOps has a lot of things which are related to software development. Okay, not too much, but it's a good. Again, what I recommend you watch both demo sessions of cloud security also and DevOps. Whatever you understand more, then go for that because both domains are booming right now. Cloud security and cyber security both are on the like. Okay, any other question? Azure के बाद DevOps सही रहेगा. Azure once after, see, no need to learn Azure. Like when you learn DevOps, the DevOps teachers will teach you Azure also, AWS also. In the full-fledged program, we will teach you everything. Azure you do not have to do separately. But if you are already learning Azure, definitely you can go for the DevOps. So Nitesh is saying, I am working as a desktop engineer last 5 years. So what is good for me? So Nitesh, you can go for like if you have desktop engineer experience, like it's better. I think you can try. Depends on your package. If you have a package less than 6 to 7 lakhs, then go for network engineer program, network security program. What I told you, you can contact my team and say I want to do network security roadmap. Okay, so you guys, how you can contact my team for the premium courses? Okay, so there is a WhatsApp number I'm sharing, guys. Okay, so you can WhatsApp one of my team member will get back to you. Okay, so let me share this. Contact my team for roadmaps. Yes, I'm good, Bilal. आप बताओ कैसे हो? Okay, so just contact my team and just tell them that yes, I want to do the full cyber security roadmap. I want to, because if you go here, job oriented programs, we already have created the plans what are good for you. And also, we have all access pass. If you want to experience everything, you want to learn network security, you want to learn cyber security, you want to learn cloud security, you want to learn DevOps, because right now you have not made your mind what courses are going to help you. So you can join our full courses unlimited plan, which has 50 plus courses. You can join for that also, which is currently on offer. Okay, for the offer also you can WhatsApp my team that you are interested in all access pass. Okay, so coming back to the your questions. Yes, Nitesh, I was saying if you are below 7 lakhs, go for network security. And if you are already on more than 7 lakh salary, go for cloud security. Okay. Cloud security. If you have package more than 7 lakhs, go for cloud security. If you have package less than 7 lakhs, like 3 lakhs, 5 or 6 lakhs, go for network security. So if we do CCN and CCNP, what are the job opportunity for fresher? So Sanadi, just with CCNA CCNP, I think you can only apply for network engineer jobs. There are a lot of jobs in the market, but I recommend you go for CCNA CCNP and one firewall. एक firewall add करना बहुत जरूरी है. This is why we teach the network engineer master program. It is a combo where you learn about CCNA, CCNP and one firewall. Okay, तो आप नेटवर्क इंजीनियर मास्टर प्रोग्राम को चेक करो एक बार. Okay, so just WhatsApp on that number and just ask for the network engineer details. They will share. My team will share with you. Thank you, Nidya. ओके बाला साहेब सर, मैं आपका कोर्स लेना चाहता हूँ. इसके लिए आपके कोर्स का फी चेक किया, बट ईएमआई पे एसबीआई डेबिट कार्ड से पेमेंट ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है और बजाज फाइनेंस कार्ड से भी पेमेंट नहीं हो रहा है. ओके बाला, जस्ट एक हफ्ते के अंदर अंदर हम बजाज फाइनेंस वाला कर देंगे. डोंट वरी. ओके, सो आफ्टर 1 वीक कॉन्टेक्ट टीम, दे लाइक वी विल गेट अप्रूवल फ्रॉम बजाज, आई थिंक. ओके, डोंट वरी. Sir, I have 8 year experience in optical networking. Which course will be good enough for me? See, optical guys will go for definitely, because optical with 8 years experience, I am sure you have more than, maybe you have around 10 to 12 lakh CTC. And अगर नहीं भी है तो भी मैं बता रहा हूँ, आई थिंक फॉर यू क्लाउड सिक्योरिटी और लाइक डेवऑप्स, You can choose both. Either you can go for cloud security and DevOps. So I think cloud security would be much better for you. ओके, सो क्लाउड सिक्योरिटी कैसे करोगे? पहले अपने सीसीएनए पढ़ना है। ओके, सो उसके बाद आपको पढ़ना है एक फायरवॉल जैसे कि पालो अल्टो फायरवॉल। फिर आपको कंप्लीटली कैटेगरी में घुस जाना है एज्योर की, एज्योर 104, एज्योर 500 एंड एज्योर 700। ये पांचों का कॉम्बो आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं हमारी टीम को। वो एक बंडल बना के आपको बता देंगे कि लाइक अगर आप लाइव करते हो तो ये फी स्ट्रक्चर है, और अगर आप लाइव नहीं करते तो मैंने जैसे बताया आपको कि हमारा एक ऑल एक्सेस पास होता है, उसके अंदर 50 से ज्यादा कोर्सेज हैं, उसके अंदर सारे कोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं। ओके, सो डू वी गेट प्लेसमेंट असिस्टेंस आफ्टर सीसीएनए प्रोग्राम? सी अभिषेक, हमारे यहाँ पे 99% लोग जो होते हैं वो वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल आते हैं, बिकॉज उनको पता है कि एक इंजीनियर से ही पढ़ सकता है, राइट? तो इसीलिए कोई जॉब प्लेसमेंट वाला जो चीजें हैं, ये छोटे मोटे कोर्सेज में हम नहीं बोलते कि हम प्लेसमेंट करवाते हैं ऑल। डेफिनेटली करवाना चाहिए, बट हमारी मैंने बताया कि हमारे बैचेस में फ्रेशर आते ही नहीं है। हमारे पास सारे जो जॉब कर रहे हैं लोग, या फिर जॉब करके छोड़ चुके हैं, या फिर जॉब से निकल गए हैं गलती से, या निकाल दिए गए हैं। तो हमारे पास जो भी बच्चे आते हैं वो ज्यादातर जॉब करने वाले लोग आते हैं, बिकॉज उनको पता है कि नेटवर्किंग से उनको सिखा सकता है। फ्रेशर्स तो कहीं भी चले जाते हैं, फ्रेशर तो बहुत सारे लोकल सेंटर्स में जा रहे हैं, दिल्ली जा रहे हैं, इधर उधर जा रहे हैं। तो इसीलिए हम प्लेसमेंट टीम भी बना देना अगर, तो भी किसकी जॉब लगवाएं, क्योंकि वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स की जॉब ऑलरेडी लगी होती है। तो उनको कॉल भी कर रहे हैं तो वो भाव नहीं दे रहे हैं प्लेसमेंट टीम्स को। तो इसलिए प्लेसमेंट टीम्स बना के फायदा नहीं हो रहा है हमें, हमें नुकसान हो रहा है, बल्कि उनको सैलरी दे रहे हैं फ्री की। ठीक है, बट फ्रेशर्स अगर बहुत सारे अगर आएंगे फ्यूचर में हमारे पास, तो डेफिनेटली हम 100% प्लेसमेंट का भी ट्राई करेंगे। ठीक है, बट ट्रस्ट में आई थिंक प्लेसमेंट गारंटीज का कोई फायदा नहीं है। वो पैसे भी ज्यादा लेते हैं, और जॉब लगे ना लगे उसका कोई भरोसा नहीं है फिर भी, क्योंकि देर आर लॉट ऑफ स्कैम्स गोइंग ऑन, लॉट ऑफ मार्केटिंग गिमिक्स आर गोइंग ऑन। इफ एनीबडी इज सेइंग, just take an example, the top notch colleges in India like IIT job guarantee देता है? Tell me, IIT कॉलेजेस टॉप में है ना, तो क्या कभी सुना है एक IIT जॉब गारंटी देता है? तो सोचो, द टॉप लेवल कॉलेज इन इंडिया इज नॉट गिविंग जॉब गारंटी और जॉब प्लेसमेंट। ओके, so if you go with very good knowledge, definitely there is no problem, you will definitely going to get a job. Okay, so just go and go to our this YouTube page and check the community section. There are a lot of success stories of our students. Shahzab, sir, in Access Pass, I don't have expert level track. Please guide. I only get associate level courses. Shahzab, please check with the team. There are two programs. One is Essential Access Pass and one is Full Access Pass. If you have enrolled in Essential Access Pass, so you will get the associate level courses only. Okay. Or when you go for All Access Pass, you will get all associate, professional, expert, all courses. Okay, contact team, they will support you. सर आई एम इन डेस्कटॉप सपोर्ट इन लास्ट 5 years, मुझे नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी में जाना है, प्लीज सजेस्ट मी। मेरा सोचना है सीसीएनए पे, सीसीएनपी सिक्योरिटी फायरवॉल। नो, आप सीसीएनए करो, सीसीएनपी नॉर्मल करो जो हम पढ़ाते हैं, सीसीएनपी एंटरप्राइज विद फायरवॉल। सो आप हमारी टीम को कांटेक्ट करो जितेंद्र, और बोलना है कि मुझे नेटवर्क इंजीनियर मास्टर प्रोग्राम करना है। ओके, क्या बोला मैंने? नेटवर्क इंजीनियर मास्टर प्रोग्राम करना है, और वो पूरी डिटेल आपको शेयर कर देंगे, ब्रोशर, लाइव डेमो सेशन जो भी है। ओके, सो दे विल गाइड यू एवरीथिंग। सर आपका पढ़ाया अच्छा लगता है, थैंक यू भाई। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज बेस्ट ऑप्शन, सीसीएनपी, एज्योर और लाइनेक्स और क्लाउड? CCNP, Azure, Linux, or cloud? Azure is also cloud, right? Please elaborate Linux job future. Linux has very good future. If anybody is asking me, tell me one course, only one course which will get me a job, that is Linux. तो अगर आप मुझसे पूछोगे सिर्फ एक कोर्स बता दो सर जिससे मेरी जॉब लगेगी, तो मैं बता रहा हूं आज लाइनक्स कर लो, मिल ही जाएगी कहीं ना कहीं जॉब। ठीक है, सीसीएनए से ज्यादा जॉब्स लाइनक्स में है, क्योंकि सीसीएनए अकेला हेल्प नहीं करेगा, आपको सीसीएनपी भी करना है, फिर फायरवॉल भी करना है, तो तब जाके आप एक प्रॉपर नेटवर्क इंजीनियर या नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी इंजीनियर बनते हो। बट अगर आपको जॉब लगने वाले कोर्सेज करने हैं तो आप सीसीएनए, विंडो सर्वर और लाइनक्स का कॉम्बो भी कर सकते हो, जिससे आप हजारों तरह की जॉब सप्लाई कर सकते हो आप। ओके, सो सीसीएनए, विंडो सर्वर, लाइनक्स, जिसे हम आईटी प्रोफेशनल कॉम्बो कहते हैं, वो कर सकते हो मयूर आप। ओके, दैट इज आईटी प्रोफेशनल मास्टर प्रोग्राम। सो आप व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं, टीम को ऊपर नंबर है, और बोलो कि मुझे आईटी प्रोफेशनल मास्टर प्रोग्राम करना है। जितेंद्र पाल कह रहे हैं कि सर एप्पल के भी कोर्सेज डालो। डेफिनेटली ब्रो, आपने रिकमेंड किया है तो हम जरूर डालेंगे। एप्पल के कोर्सेज वैसे ज्यादा डिमांड में नहीं होते, मैं एप्पल में भी जॉब कर रहा था, तो वहां पे भी बड़े मुश्किल से उनको एप्पल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर मिलते थे, बिकॉज विंडोज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर बहुत इजीली मिल जाते हैं। एप्पल के लोग जो एप्पल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर होते हैं, उनको एप्पल के सर्वर्स चलाने पड़ते हैं। सो जेम एफ 100 और 200, ठीक है, मैं लिख लूंगा। सो आई हैव टेकन द स्क्रीनशॉट। ओके, अगला क्वेश्चन। आई हैव वर्किंग इन टेक्निकल सपोर्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव विद 1.5 years in it tech, kindly suggest networking profiles to jump on. So Adi, you can go for the whole full batch network security, what we call network engineer master program, and my team will help you more in this, or you can ask me question more clearly. ITL and focus on, see, I feel like if you have only 3 year experience, so your age is not like, you are not like very mature guy, right? You must be 23, 24, okay, max 25. So when you have a age of 24, 25, I think management, it's better to go in technical, because in further life after 40, after 45, then you can go into management jobs. Okay, so if you really want to do get into management, then go for IM, crack what we call CAT exam, go for IM college, then go into management, then you will get a high packages, salaries. But if you have only 2 3 year experience normally working in normal IT companies, and if you feel like by doing ITL you get a good salary, no brother, you are in wrong perspective, you have a wrong perspective. सोफोज फायरवॉल अच्छा है, बच्चों वाला फायरवॉल है, पढ़ाते हैं हम। ओके, बट आई थिंक गो विद गुड फायरवॉल लाइक पॉल ऑल्टो। सर आई मीन 7 month experience but domain is not networking, thinking to buy CCNA CCNP Palo Alto. So this Abhishek, this is our best combo plan. हमारे मंथ में 700 एडमिशंस होते हैं। ओके, एक यूनिवर्सिटी से ज्यादा बच्चे पढ़ाते हैं हम हर साल 7,000 स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाते हैं। ठीक है, और उसमें से मैं बताऊं 4,000 बच्चा यही प्रोग्राम करता है, सीसीएनए सीसीएनपी पॉल ऑल्टो। तो डेफिनेटली बिना कुछ ज्यादा कंफ्यूजन के आप डायरेक्टली एनरोल कर सकते हैं। देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, दिस इज आवर बेस्ट प्रोग्राम इफ यू वांट टू गेट इनटू नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी। ओके, मैं बोल सकता हूं कि पूरे इंडिया में, इवन आउटसाइड इंडिया, तो हमारे प्रोग्राम्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड है राइट नाउ इन द मार्केट, बिकॉज हमारे पास पूरे डिटेल में सीसीएनए सीसीएनपी पॉल ऑल्टो, और उसके साथ एक्स्ट्रा बहुत सारा कंटेंट, लैब्स, मतलब अगर आप देखोगे वैल्यू, वट एवर पे व्हाट वी कॉल प्राइस टू वैल्यू रेशियो जिसे बोलते हैं ना, कि भाई जितना पैसा दिया उतने में क्या मिल रहा है, तो उसके हिसाब से वर्ल्ड बेस्ट प्रोग्राम्स हैं, वर्ल्ड बेस्ट प्रोग्राम्स। सो टोटल 11 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, टोटल हैविंग एक्सपीरियंस इन नेटवर्क डोमेन, सर्विस मैनेजमेंट, करंटली वर्किंग इन एप्लीकेशन लाइफ साइकिल मैनेजमेंट, middleware ops is very old thing, I think, Yogender. So it's better, I think you should go for DevOps. I think the best plan for Yogender is DevOps. Go for a DevOps program. I think this is going to help you a lot. So which firewall you suggest to learn with CCNA CCNP? I suggest Palo Alto, and FortiGate is also good. If you are in India, you can go for FortiGate also, because in India a lot of companies are using FortiGate firewall also. Yes, Yugender, go for DevOps program. What I told you, हमारे यहाँ पे पूरा like we have 5 to 6 months DevOps master program, and that is taken by the full DevOps engineers. Okay, not just normal DevOps trainers. They are the top DevOps engineers, and they are taking the batch. Okay, so go and check our what we call uh, trial videos, or what we call the DevOps search मारो एक बार networkings की YouTube channel में. क्लाउड सिक्योरिटी में आप क्लास लेंगे क्या? नहीं बाला, आई टेक CCNA CCNP क्लासेस. सो फॉर क्लाउड सिक्योरिटी देर आर डिफरेंट गाइज फ्रॉम द मार्केट. बिलाल, स्टूडेंट्स आर ब्लेस्ड टू हैव यूर टीचर्स. थैंक्स बिलाल, लॉन्ग टाइम. तुम्हारे मैसेजेस देख के अच्छा लगा. तुमने आई थिंक 2 साल पहले करा था CCNA CCNP. 2 तो नहीं हुए शायद, 1.5 साल हुआ अभी. ओके Sir, I'm a fresher student in CCNA. How I improve my skill? What is the steps? नितिन, आप बहुत कुछ पढ़ना है यार. आपने एक काम करो, स्किल्स फॉर एवरीवन जो बताई ना मैंने, फ्री वाली वेबसाइट, आप जाके उस पे ना जो भी कोर्सेज हैं. ओके, सो बाय द वे हु ज्वाइंड recently, so we have a website skillsforeveryone.com where we have 20 plus courses completely free. Okay, so I'm not asking you to pay right now, but when you learn free courses very very well, okay, then go for our premium courses. Okay, तो पहले इस्तेमाल करो फिर विश्वास करो वाली बात है कि पहले फ्री कोर्सेज ट्राई करो, अच्छे लगे, देन गो फॉर इट. दीप पूछ रहा फंडिंग मिली क्या? अभी फंडिंग नहीं ले रहे यार. Sir, I got all access pass only 33. Do we have CCN MCSC course and tracks? I asked them, they told me we don't have that. So Shazab, I think you have taken the Hindi package. I think in Hindi package MCSA MCSC both are under MCSA only. Okay, I think you are confused. MCSA MCSC का content उसी के अंदर है जो MCSA के नाम से है. ठीक है? And CCI, I will check if we can provide CCI or not. Okay, so just drop a text to support team and then we will guide. गजब की दुनिया. सर आई एम फ्रेशर. वो तो है ही है, फ्रेशर है ही गजब की दुनिया. क्या लिखो आगे तो लिखो भाई. What we can expect after CCNA CCNP from networkings? Amit, you expect the best knowledge. Okay, if you learn very well, definitely you are going to good salary. If you are already working somewhere maybe on 3 lakhs, you can expect 6 lakhs 8 lakhs packages also after that. Okay, so you will expect that you will be able to clear all the interviews who ask OSPF questions, BGP questions, OSI model questions, okay, NAT questions, okay, or ACL questions, real based what we call the scenario based questions. ओके, सो ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट आफ्टर CCNA CCNP फ्रॉम नेटवर्क किंग्स. सर मैं नेटवर्क इंजीनियर करियर शुरू करना चाहता हूं. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी शेयर द व्हाट्सएप नंबर. गजब, you can just WhatsApp there and you can go into this. Sir, having 14-year experience in IT field, support system admin, please guide further. So I think 14-year experience, I think you already have age of around 35. So at the age of 35, I think the better plan for you is DevOps. Okay. And DevOps nahi hai to fir like you can go for cloud security. Okay, very simple. If you have age more than 35, 40, okay, 35 से ऊपर के हो गए ना भाई, तो सैलरी नहीं बढ़ रही तो डेवऑप्स में जाओ, क्लाउड सिक्योरिटी में जाओ, सिंपल है. Sir, I completed MCSA CCNA, but I don't receive enough calls. I have then work on your resume, bro. If you are not having good resume, okay, so then you do not get calls. And don't worry, keep applying the jobs daily. Make a ritual that I will apply 5 to 10 jobs daily. ओके तो कई बार क्या होता है आप 10-12 जॉब्स अप्लाई करते हो महीने की और उसमें सेलेक्ट नहीं होते, तो आपने डेली 5-10 जॉब्स को अप्लाई करना है और अज्यूम जितना बेस्ट हो सकता है उतना अच्छा बनाना है। मेरे चैनल पे पहले से ही मैंने वीडियोस बना रखी हैं, हाउ टू मेक गुड रिज्यूमे, हाउ टू अप्लाई जॉब्स, हाउ टू अपडेट लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल, lot of things on my channel. So you go here and search here resume. So you can see, I hope you guys can see my screen. Yeah. So you can see here, when I search on networkings, there is a search field on my channel, resume. So you can see create your winning resume in 10 minutes. Okay, network engineer resume live session, how to get all these, let's make network engineer resume, how to find CCNA job, how to get 2 lakh plus salary. Okay, all these amazing videos are here. You guys can start watching these videos, which will help you, guide you a lot. हाँ भाई ये चलो जी मैं वापस आ गया. Okay, so coming to the further question. Thanks for suggestion. Thanks Jitender. Nice to see you sir. Same खान आपको भी. दीप हाय सर, फंडिंग मिल गई क्या? नहीं भाई हमें नहीं चाहिए अभी. तुम्हारे पास ज्यादा पैसा है तो कोई बात नहीं, आप मुझे स्पेशली कॉल करके पूछ सकते हैं. I was your first phase 1 student from 2020 and still studying with Amit sir RHCC. Oh great Khan. Sir, 15% discount is for limited period. Abhishek, check with team. I don't know the pricing and discounts deals. Okay, when any big offer comes, then I come and share. After a long time, watch Atul sir. अरे मेरे भाई की शादी थी अभी थोड़े दिन, 2-3 दिन 3 दिन पहले ही शादी हुई है. 2 की थी, 3 दिन हो गए. तब वो क्या बोलते उसे, शेरवानी पहननी पड़ी थी यार, तो दाढ़ी रखनी पड़ती है, नहीं तो चिकने पप्पू लगते हैं. Okay. CCNA, CCNP, CCIE, all three, what will it cost? Dinesh, please WhatsApp my team. They will guide you. Okay. Or I think it's better to WhatsApp the team because sometimes we are running some offers and they will give you the best pricing. I'm planning to develop VPN SaaS. What should I learn? Okay, great, Kang. So you can start learning network basic first. Okay, because development is a different thing, and what you are doing, obviously that's a development. Okay, so no need to learn the whole VPN things. I think you can get a white label SaaS softwares VPN and you can just resell those. Give some idea about where I learn BGP concept in detail way. Pankaj, you can check YouTube videos. There are a lot of YouTube videos. We have also uploaded a lot of BGP content on YouTube. So just watch it. And if you are not satisfied, then you can join our All Access Pass, which has a lot of BGP content, full CCNP, CCI BGP content. So how do we need to go for global certification to get a good hike? Abhishek, it's better to learn CCNP then just go for CCNA certification. Okay. So just go for CCNP training and CCNA certification you can do later on. I think knowledge is much important than certification. Sure, Shehzab, I will check. I'm fresher. Please tell me what is the roadmap for network engineer. Aman Verma, please watch this live session from the beginning. I have already told you that you have to do CCNA, CCNP and firewall. वतन सिंह, आई एम फुल कंफ्यूज्ड व्हाट टू स्टडी. वतन एक काम करो, जो भी बच्चा कंफ्यूज है ना यार, सिंपल हमारे फ्री कोर्सेज देखो. देखो आपको क्या समझ आ रहा है. नेटवर्क फंडामेंटल अच्छा लग रहा है, लाइनक्स अच्छा लग रहा है. ओके, जब ये 3-4 चीजें आप करोगे तो आपने कॉल करना है हमें. और या व्हाट्सएप करना है कि सर मुझे ये 3 चीजों में इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है, बताओ मेरे लिए सबसे अच्छा रोड मैप क्या है, और हम तुम्हें गाइड करेंगे। ओके, मेरी टीम को हम दिन रात सिखा रहे हैं कि किसको कौन सा कोर्स रिकमेंड करना है, और वो लोग आपको हेल्प करेंगे। और बाकी आप भी बहुत समझदार हो, आप खुद ही डिसाइड कर लोगे। जब आप ये फ्री कंटेंट देखोगे ना, तो आपकी नॉलेज ऑटोमेटिकली इंप्रूव हो जाएगी और खुद से आप रोड मैप बना पाओगे अपने लिए। ठीक है, ठीक है जी। सो सी यू ऑल नेक्स्ट टाइम। थैंक यू फॉर अटेंडिंग दिस लाइव सेशन। और आप व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं इस नंबर पर। माय टीम विल गेट बैक टू यू। ओके, सो थैंक यू, बाय बाय, गुड नाइट। Aditya, you can check this free website. What I recommend you, we have 10 to 12 hours of content, but if you want premium content of all CCNA, CCNP, firewalls and all, you can check NW Flix or learn.nwkings. Okay, so let me share the link also for premium road maps. Okay, so वेबसाइट पर प्राइजेस की जगह अपने प्लान्स देखने हैं, क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है, प्राइस देख के बंदा देखता है वो भाई ये तो ज्यादा लग रहा है, शायद आपको पता ही नहीं उसकी वैल्यू क्या है। हो सकता है उसके साथ 2 कोर्सेज, 4 कोर्सेज, 5 कोर्सेज फ्री हो। सो आप वेबसाइट देखो, रोड मैप्स देखो, पर जब भी कोई कोर्स लेना है तो हमारी टीम को कांटेक्ट करो। दे विल गाइड यू, दे विल गिव यू द बेस्ट प्राइसिंग, दे विल कस्टमाइज द प्लान फॉर यू। ओके, थैंक यू।